Hello, I'm Whitfield with Rosen. We often get asked about how to pack for a 2 or 3 day business trip. And with a little planning, you can travel light, especially if you take advantage of your hotel laundry service. Last minute packing generally leads to overpacking and wrinkled clothes. Instead, take a moment to study your agenda to determine how many meetings or social occasions you expect to have. What we have laid out here represents a typical wardrobe for a 2 to 3 day trip. Assuming you're also wearing an outfit on the plane, you'll notice that all of these items can be coordinated with each other. The jacket and the trousers can either be dressed up or dressed down. No one wants to check luggage. And a good carry-on and a sturdy garment bag like these will carry everything you need. The hanger on the garment bag can take up to 3 pairs of trousers if your trip requires a longer stay. Place your jacket on top and cover it in dry cleaner's plastic. And push out any air bubbles to prevent wrinkles. If a longer stay is required, you can layer on another jacket and more dry cleaner plastic. The first items in your carry-on should be your shoes. Pack them heel down evenly across the floor of the bag to provide a good foundation for the rest of your items. Use the belts and socks as shoe trees to support your shoes' shape. Use your shoes duster bags to protect your shoes and keep your other clothes clean. Now fill in the gaps with your sunglasses case, your rolled up underwear, t-shirts, and sweatpants. Try to make the base as flat and even as possible. You can either roll your ties and pack them into the gaps or fold them into 4 and insert them into the inside pocket of your jacket. Over top, place your knits and shirts folded from the launderer. One of the key tricks to wrinkle-free packing is to make sure that you unpack and hang everything the moment you arrive at your hotel room. If your room's not ready, ask the concierge to hang your garment bag for you. Plan on wearing your overcoat on the plane to avoid unnecessary weight on your dress shirts. Now you're all ready to go. Thank you and safe travels.